I told y'all I'm living my best life. I told y'all I said I'm living my best life. I made a couple M's with my best friend. Turn on my keep it on up his life skirt. I'm living my best life.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is your girl Ashanti Monet. So we're gonna just jump right into this video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your post notification bell as well. Okay, for starters, you're gonna start off with washing your hands. Of course, everybody should know that rule number one in cooking. Okay, so these are the seasonings that I'm going to be using, and I will be listing everything down below in the description bar as well. So I have brought my water to a boil, and I was adding my potatoes, which they are washed, clean, and cut. You just add them onto your water, stir them around, and let them cook for about 20 minutes. Then you're going to add your corn. Okay, so about 20 minutes later, I am now checking on the potatoes and making sure they are done or close to being done. Now it's time to add the corn in as well. You're going to always start off with your crab boil. If you're going to add corn and potatoes in, you're always going to start off with your potatoes because they take the longest to cook. And then your corn, you can add those in closest when your potatoes are either halfway done or all the way done. Excuse me guys if you hear any trucks passing by. I stay by a plant, so that's what you hear in the background. Anyways guys, like I was saying, you're going to add your corn. Also make sure that you're being careful because you can also splash yourself by just putting them in the pot without paying attention. So you're going to stir those around and let them cook for about another 15 minutes or 20 minutes. Okay, so it's been about 20 minutes. I'm going to be adding my shrimps in and the rest of my seafood in as well. And I'm sorry guys, I did not have my scissors in the kitchen, so I had to bite the paper open. But you gotta do what you gotta do. And so with the, unfortunately, these are store-bought shrimps. These are not fresh market shrimps, unfortunately, so I had to use what I have to make my DUI. Okay, so now I'm going to add my seafood in as well. And this is just mussels, crab, shrimps, and that's it. Crab legs, excuse me. And shrimp and mussels. Just like I said, I didn't have my kitchen scissors. And the people in the background is my family, guys. It's Labor Day, so we having a seafood Labor Day bang. Everybody had to make their own dish, and I chose to make the seafood crab boil. So like I said, I'm just going to add that in. I'm going to add the rest of my seafood in as well and let that cook for about another 15 to 20 minutes. Then it should be done. Okay, so now I'm finna go ahead and add the Dungeness crabs in as well. And I'm also going to be adding another thing of crab legs. Yummy. And we're going to also let that cook for about another 20 to 15 minutes. Then your crab boil should be done. Just like I said, hot and ready and spicy. I had to get some assistance from my stepdad to help me pour it over in the bigger pots so we can be able to scoop it out. And my family's just in the background having fun, laughing. And if you guys would like to see me do more videos with them, comment down below. And also, if you have any questions, comment down below so I can connect with you guys and go back and watch the video with you guys. Tell me your favorite part. And also, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn your post notification bell for more bangers. Bye, guys. You have a good day. See you in the next video. Yummy. Look at all that goodness. Happy Labor Day to the working people.